Hello and welcome. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in a 2020 Ford Transit 350 HD. You will find your air filter on the passenger side of your vehicle. Next, you need a flathead screwdriver to loosen your clamp to disconnect your air tube. Rock tube back and forth to disconnect from air filter cover. Disconnect your intake air temperature sensor harness. Press in on the lock clip to release. There is a clip down below to hold your wire in place. Disconnect. Now we're going to remove the right front passenger side headlight unit. You can use a T30 or a flathead screwdriver. Just lay your headlight unit down easily. There is no need to disconnect the wires. Now we're going to loosen the windshield washer filler tube. You will need a T25. Just lay it to the side. Unclip your air filter housing cover. And you also have a clip here. Now we can remove our cover. You can now easily remove the cover through the passenger headlight area. This way you can easily remove the air filter and install your new air filter with no damage. I would say it was definitely time to replace the air filter. Now, this is why it is important to remove the top cover, because this shows that the top cover was not removed. It shows that someone in the past installed a new air filter inside the housing and they damaged the air filter, not aware that the air filter was damaged. Most likely you will have trash and debris at the bottom of your air filter housing. Place a clean rag or a towel around the inlet of your air tube to prevent any trash from entering. Now is the opportunity to clean out any trash, dirt, debris in the bottom of your air filter housing. Take time to compare your old filter with your new filter to make sure you have the right size and right diameter. In this video, I will be using a fleet guard. Here's the part number and price range. Again, you want to make sure both filters are exactly the same. You can now install your new filter. Make sure all corners and sides of your filter is flush and seated inside of the house. Make sure the rear of the air filter cover is properly seated back onto the air filter housing. Properly install the cover. Cut the tie strap to release the rag or towel. Slide the air tube back onto the air filter housing. Now we can tighten the air tube clamp. Mount back the windshield washer fluid filler tube. Reconnect the harness for the intake air temperature sensor. Properly mount back the headlight unit. Ford Motor Company recommend that you change your air filter every 30,000 miles or every 48,000 kilometers. That's all it takes to replace your air filter in your 2020 Ford Transit. Keep in mind, your air filter is the life of your engine. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.